It's absolutely critical that you guys move heaven and earth to be able to train as frequently as possible. A lot of you might be thinking, well, I've only got time to train once a week or twice a week or 3 times a week. Whatever your starting point is, your number one goal after setting, your next step, your number one priority after setting your goals around fitness is to move heaven and earth to expand or increase the frequency of your training. And that might mean that you go from having only half hour a day to 45 minutes a day, or it might mean you're going from 1 session to 2, or 2 to 3, or 3 to 4, or 4 to 5, or 5 to 6. Whatever it is, wherever you are on your journey, the next step in your process is to move heaven and earth to increase the frequency and consistency of your training. Prioritize it more, time block it in your schedule. Have that discussion with your spouse, partner, or immediate other to get them on board to allow you that moment of time, But we know how important that is, Rad and I and Richard have had to negotiate many times when we train so that we still get the important stuff done for our business, but we have that 2-hour block blocked out in our calendars so that we get our training in every day, and it moves from morning to afternoon depending on where we're at in business and how much work needs to be done, because it's always, we feel better to get your training done early in the day before the rest of your life takes over and gets in the way and interferes with your schedule, But that's your next goal. That's your next step. Your next step is to move heaven and earth to strategize a way to increase or prioritize your daily dose of healthy. By healthy, we mean balanced exercise, strength, flexibility, symmetry, foundational strength, flexibility, and fitness.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.